Jersey. Look at the size of that tree. Holy shamunkins.
Heading to Port Renfrew with Claire and my dad and my sister, and we found this giant tree here.
Look at the size of that thing. Holy shamunkins.
Holy shamunkins.
Oh, you're swimming!
Wow, that's big. I can't believe, look at the thickness of that all the way up. It actually looks unreal up there.
You do need a banana for scale because like no one knows actually how big it is.
You in my vlog?
Yeah, I think every
My
shot.
sister Katie.
I think every shot is like you can just see like
Just
my
the top of your
head.
head. I think it looks like mom's like that too. We're here in Avatar Grove in Port Renfrew. Got some shots here in Avatar Grove. Didn't crash it. Almost hit a branch, I think. Here at Avatar Grove, we're in the top part now. Supposedly the world's or Canada's gnarliest tree. I don't know what that actually is. That voted on or something? Is that like a ceremony every year? Why? Got everybody here. Got the whole damn fam.
Giddy up.
Critically low battery.
Last video sequence here seems to be dropping. Well, it was heading to the ocean. My wife saved it. She splashed in and was cold for the rest of the day.
Almost had a major bail with the drone, and I'm actually really frustrated. But that's why you get a wife. They save you drones. A good one. A good wife does. Unfortunately, it's not a very good drone save video. Unfortunately, really learned how to fly that thing.
We're so sweaty.
Yeah, we're like gonna die in here.